Good afternoon. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of NexGA Aircraft. I'm William Bird, and today we're here to look at a very nice, very beautiful 2003 Columbia 350. This 350 has air conditioning, it has an impeccable maintenance history, it is in overall great condition. Let's take a look. 41LY Yankee is equipped with the new generation Hartzell 3-blade prop. The engine in 41LY Yankee is a Continental IO 550 310 horsepower engine rated at 2,000 hours TBO. Now this engine has about 1,295 hours on it total time since new. Matter of fact, the entire airframe has only 1,295 hours on it since it was picked up from the factory. Standard on these Columbia 350s is a heavy-duty nitrogen loaded nose strut. This Columbia 350 is licensed in the utility category all the way to max gross weight. Normal cruise in this Columbia 350 is about 180-185 knots, all the way up to 18,000 feet. 41LY Yankee has 98 gallons of usable fuel, which gives you a range of well over 1,200 nautical miles with reserves, and you can expect fuel burns around 13 to 15 gallons per hour on the rich side of peak, and around 10 gallons per hour on the lean side. Matter of fact, we've taken Columbia's brand new from the factory from Bend, Oregon, all the way to Greensboro, North Carolina with just one fuel stop. As you can see, this Columbia 350 is equipped with speed brakes. Now, speed brakes are very effective at high air speeds. They're not so effective at low air speeds. They're approved for all phases of flight. Matter of fact, you can even take off with them on if you wanted to. And they're a great resource for a pilot to have. They're very useful for getting down quickly or slowing down quickly without having to chop the power. The Columbia 350 is a composite airplane, but Columbia uses much more carbon fiber throughout its design than comparable composite airplanes. For instance, all the control surfaces are carbon fiber. The dual wingtip to wingtip carbon fiber spars are carbon fiber, and carbon fiber is about 5 times stronger than comparable steel. And these spars run wingtip to wingtip, and there's 2 of them, and each of them alone can withstand the utility category loads for this airplane. The paint on 41LY Yankee is in very good condition. Now it's a very beautiful midnight blue with silver stripe. This midnight blue was actually a custom paint scheme from the factory that was made just for this airplane. 41LY Yankee has a very spacious baggage compartment. You can put up to 120 pounds back here, and if you need more space, you can take out that bar and use the airplane like an SUV for larger objects. The door is shaped so that you can fit very large bags or objects in with ease. 41LY Yankee features a very comfortable, beautiful tan buckskin leather interior. The seats are in great condition, as well as the sidewalls and headliner, all in great condition. It's all leather, and the carpet is in very, very good condition as well. There's a lot of room back here. As you can see, I'm almost 6 feet tall. I have plenty of headroom. I have plenty of leg room, and the seats are very, very comfortable. 41LY Yankee is equipped with a very nice Avidyne FlightMax Integra glass panel display. Let's take a look. The Columbia 350 is equipped with dual, completely redundant electrical systems with a cross-tie feature. So even if you completely lose an alternator, a bus, or battery on one of these systems, you can cross-tie and run the entire airplane off either system. In addition to digital engine monitoring on the multifunction display, you also have analog engine instruments to the left of the panel, including fuel quantity, right and left amps, oil temperature and pressure, manifold pressure, fuel flow, RPM, and EGT and CHTs. 41LY Yankee features the Avidyne FlightMax Integra primary flight display. This is a great display that incorporates all your traditional 6-pack instruments into one easy-to-read digital display. To the left, we have our airspeed tape. Here's our attitude indicator with flight director, our turn and slip indicator, our altitude tape, vertical speed indicator. Here we have our true airspeed, ground speed, and outside air temperature. You can switch between different nav sources here, GPS 1, 2, and VLOC 1 and 2. To the right we have our heading bug. Then we have our altitude pre-select bug, our vertical speed pre-select bug, and here you set your barometric pressure. This also will display wind vectors. In addition to your primary flight display on our Avidyne Integra, you have full-size backup instruments in the center of the panel. An attitude indicator, true airspeed indicator, and altimeter. 41LY Yankee features the Avidyne FlightMax Integra Multifunction Display. This is a great display that gives you a lot of information. As you can see, we have a moving map. You also have storm scope, XM weather, and traffic that will display on the map page. To the right we have charts. This is loaded with CMAX charts, which include airport diagrams as well as approach plates. Here's your trip page. You can see that we have a trip to Myrtle Beach loaded in, and it will also show you your METARs there. A nearest page. And this 350 includes a digital checklist built into the MFD. And our engine page. This has EMAX engine monitoring on the MFD. 41LY Yankee is equipped with dual Garmin 430s. Here's the #1 Garmin 430 Navcom GPS. We next have our Garmin 340 audio panel with 3-light marker beacon and intercom. Below is our #2 Garmin 430 Navcom GPS. Here we have our Garmin GTX 330 Mode S transponder with TIS traffic and the S-Tech 55X autopilot. This is an excellent autopilot that has GPSS steering. It will shoot a fully coupled approach down to minimums. 41LY Yankee is equipped with digital climate control, including air conditioning. This is an outstanding system that rivals most luxury automobiles. This system is approved for all phases of flight, and it will cool the cabin down 20 degrees in only 5 minutes. One feature of the Columbia 350 that most owners really love is the dual side stick controls. Now you're directly linked to your control surfaces with lifetime push rod controls, and it really makes the airplane really fun to fly. If you want a very nice, very well equipped Columbia 350, you need to come visit us here in Greensboro, North Carolina, and take a look at November 41LY Yankee. 41LY Yankee has had an outstanding maintenance history. It has been in and out of some of the best shops in the country. It's equipped with XM weather, the Avidyne FlightMax Integra glass panel with dual Garmin 430s. It has air conditioning, it has a storm scope, as well as TIS traffic. Give us a call at 336-665-0300 or visit our website at www.nexga.com. That's NEXGA.com to take a look at this beautiful Columbia 350 and all our other next generation aircraft. Thanks for watching.